How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can delete your all of the reposts on TikTok at once. So what you can do is simply head over to your TikTok application, and inside your TikTok application just click on your profile, and from over this U-turn icon you will see all of your reposts on the video. So first thing you can do to remove all of your reposts is simply clicking on the particular video and simply long pressing on it and removing it from over here, just like this. As you can see, it has been removed. So to remove all the videos at once, what you can do is there is actually no option to remove all of your videos at once. So basically come over to your activity center from the settings, and once you're inside here, simply click on watch history and simply select every videos, just like this, and simply delete it. And once you're cleared here, simply head back, and once you head back you will see an option to report a problem. So once you're inside here, what you can do is simply click on chat with us, and from over here what you can do is simply type your issue, just like this. And once you do that, you will get the message. As you can see, they are saying that if you want to remove one reposted videos or remove your repost one by one, you can follow the on-screen instruction like this, but there is no any option to delete all of your videos at once. So what you can do is you will have to delete it one by one. So that is the only way you can delete your repost on your TikTok. So hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.